sunny and hot, and then all of a sudden, man, these clouds rolled in and it got freaking windy. Temperature's dropping, so that's good. I don't know if we're going to get a storm or not, but horses are like, yep, wind's blowing again. See, horses aren't like people. They don't need a stupid TV with a weatherman to tell them that a storm's coming in. They just figure they look up in the sky, feel the wind, the air, and can figure it out. I got so much heat on that video where I dogged those guys for... This guy got out here and said, I'm trying to save your life. You got to pay attention to me. This is very, very dangerous, and I'm trying to save... Shut up. I did a video on this weather dude. I got so many people. He was saving lives. Why are you being mean to him? You don't know what you're talking about. People died in that storm. So, I mean, what? They died watching TV, him on the radio saying, hey, here comes a storm, and they were watching TV instead of freaking taking action and looking at the weather outside? I just don't get... Man, that's a nice little curvature of cloud there. Huh. My socks, I should have put my socks in one. Just came out here because it's nice and cool and all the shit started blowing. I went, what the hell? So, oh, dogs! That's blowing. Little rabbit was out here earlier. I wanted to open this door anyway, man, because it was stinking hot. And here in smoke was in. Okay, the wind's blowing really bad. It's really crazy out here. It's like, Dad, it's freaking really crazy. Put little Smokey's little walkway up so I can open this gate. Whew. Man, out of the wind, it's freaking hot. Get over here in the wind, it's nice. Alrighty, maybe that'll let some wind through. So this is the problem when I leave that window open and a rain comes in. If I don't shut it, it just floods all over that table and gets everything a mess. So, in case somebody noticed, I trimmed my damn bushes. I tried buying one of those freaking electric trimmers off of Amazon twice. The first one, the freaking post office broke and tore up the day it was supposed to arrive. Oh, it was damaged. You're not getting it. We'll give you a refund. I'm like, shit. So I ordered another one and they sent me the damn thing without a battery. I'm like, really? And it looked like it was open. So I had to return it and I went, shit, I'm just gonna go over to Home Depot. So I got some Ryobi, whatever it was. It did a pretty good job. I mean, I just kind of, I knocked off the big part now. And I'll knock out, I gotta be careful when I'm doing it because the damn wasps make their nests in there. So I'm cutting it and all of a sudden these wasps come out. I'm like, shit, I'm taking off running. And then when I find their nest, I come back and spray them. I did all my windows with that tint. Man, it makes a huge difference. I freaking love it. So this is all interior tint, but I couldn't, and this is interior tint, but I couldn't put interior tint here because something's in the way that I can't move in front of this window. So I had to pull this screen off and I just put exterior tint on here. So this is the only window that I put exterior. So I'll see which one holds up better. The exterior, interior. I'm thinking the interior, I'll put interior up there. But, oh, that was a good little lightning there. Wonder if we'll hear a thunder. I should go check the weather. I need to go in there and see what the weather man says so he can tell me what to do. Because I'm a freaking idiot. I can't tell there's clouds, wind, and lightning. I better go check the weather man so he can save me. See, that's what's good about the wind. It clears up trash. I don't know what the hell that is or where it's going. This don't seem too to mind this again. Cloud there. Oh, doggy, there's a good little cloud there. Yeah! Yeah! Bring it in. The sun's getting filthy up here. Oh, I forgot to latch this gate. I've been using that rust preventer stuff. It's really cool. Let me lock this gate so it doesn't sit out here and bang. Alrighty. So if y'all can see in here, I'll turn on the light. Oh shit, that didn't work. What the hell happened to my light? Damn. Who wired that damn thing? I must have, that thing was swinging and I whipped it around. I bet you I clicked it and turned it off. Anyway, so I redid that, and that video will post, it'll probably be posted by the time I set this up. It was all rusted, that little medicine cabinet, so I used some of that rust preventer, and I used the one you paint on with a brush on this one, and I used the spray can on this one. And I'm gonna see which one does better over a little bit of time. I put the paint on stuff on some of these nails. The nails look like that, and I painted that on there. That shit works like a charm, man. I love that crap. Put on my chains, they were all rusty. I did spray on there so I could get it all in between the chains. But buddy went over and stood by his little girl. Well shit, I was hoping it would, like, usually when that wind picks up really good like that, we get a little lightning or thunder. But I'll go back in and get some shoes on, and if it starts raising cane out here, I'll come back out. That looks like a nice little circle right there. Man, it feels so good when it's freaking 90 degrees and this cool wind air comes in, and it's just like, yeah. Really good out there. I was driving back from Louisville and I hit a little rain patch, and it rained really hard for like 5 minutes, then it was gone. That's south of me. Now it looks like it's doing a little swirling action there. There's a little rabbit. I'm like, dude, run, it's windy. Hokey cat, there's a rabbit over here. He's like, I don't mess with the big ones, Dad. I only get the babies. He's usually pretty good when I'm walking around. What's his name has like moved all the rabbits in. There's more damn rabbits around here now. Oh, the sprinklers came on. That's probably why that rabbit ran. I get out more, there's like 3 little baby rabbits and a rabbit in here. I'm like, bring all the rabbits in. I hung that bell right there, so hopefully that would alert me if it got windy, and I might hear it, but it doesn't ring enough. It has to be really windy for me to ring it. Well, shit, ain't nothing but wind out here. So, if it starts raining, I'll come back, or lightning and thunder. Well, the rain finally came in, but it didn't come in really good. A little ransom, he got a little tree. But he doesn't want to be a pansy, so he's standing out there in front of his woman trying to impress her. I don't need no stinking tree. He's got to be a big dog. Little ransom, you found you a little tree, bud? So Mr. T ain't in the, or not Mr. T. Good old Mr. T. But he's standing out there like the big dog, Mr. T. Belle's just out there eating. Ain't gonna let no rain stop her. Ransom decided to get underneath the little tree. Probably feels good, they're cooling off. No big thunder or lightning though, sorry about that. Can't get any good stuff. Of course, I just put some freaking window tint on the outside of this window, and I want it to be dry, and it's raining. Hopefully that don't mess up my tent. Oh, the rain finally came in. I don't know why Buddy is standing over there. Little Ransom standing next to his little girlfriend. Very cute. And Buddy's letting him. So evidently he wanted to stand where he was at. I fed them this morning right as I started feeding them. It started raining. So they had to eat in the rain. They were both hanging out close to the shed because I thought it was going to rain, but now they're staying in the rain. Not a lot of lightning and thunder, but pretty good little rainfall. All right, I'm out there with the boys. And peek around this corner and get the man's peek. Pretty cute. Well, it just picked up. Right after I did the other video, it started coming down. A little monkey. Dad, it's raining. Sprinklers are on because the water, I think, soaks through and fills up and makes the float rise, which tells the septic system that the tanks are full. I always know it's getting good rain when it really kind of floods right here and it starts running across there. I know it's pretty good rain. If it doesn't create this little trail, then kind of a little, that was a good little lightning flash, but not a lot of thunder. Oh, that was a good little flash. Surprised I'm not getting any thunder from that. Oh, there it is. Man, it was freaking bright right here. I thought it was closer. It took a long time for the thunder. Monkey's like, stupid horses, why are they standing in the rain? Probably a good little cool off and probably rinsing some of the salt off the horses. What are you doing, crazy cat? There's some more lightning. I just saw it. It's gonna boom. So today is Friday. Like, I don't know, the 2nd or something. 4th of July is coming up, so I'm glad we're having thunderstorms. I hope it rains through the 4th, because then the people won't be blowing off fireworks scaring the horses. But this thunder and lightning is a good, get the horses used to shit before the fireworks. What are you doing, monkey? So the pond's getting a little water. I saw the rabbit sitting on the other side of the house. I don't know if he moved. His new hangout is by the air conditioner. Well, that crushed limestone did wonders for keeping that mud down this rain season. All right, well, it's just raining here. I should just make a recording of this tin roof and sell it as sleep music, loop it. Gotta get up there and trim that branch. That long branch, I need to cut that off. Last people lived here, he said his wife would hit that tree every time she backed out. That's why it's kind of got that big hole in it. You'd think after you hit it once or twice, you'd know it was there, but whatever. I don't want to get any hate for. What are you doing following me, boy? Oh, that's a good little lightning flash. Might get a little boom on that one. See, the flash lightning doesn't, I like when we get those good streaks and you can just see it scraping through the air. So these are just kind of like the flash lightning. Monkey just jumped up here. What are you doing, boy? Want a little spanking? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness me. Are you old crazy cat? Are you so crazy cat? I know. Really scary, huh? Really scary. Oh my goodness. He loves headbutting. He does what he's doing right there to me, man. Those teeth just kind of scrape across you. Oh my goodness. That was a scary one. That was a scary one. Oh my goodness, it was so scary. I'm gonna get little Loki cat. They're gonna get him. I'd rather you do this to my firewood than my real trees and tear them up. Come do it to these trees. Leave my real trees alone. See that flooding right there? Man, always gets muddy there. I need to put a couple rubber mats. I'm gonna buy a couple more rubber mats, put one on each side of the gate like I do have on the other one. Kind of helps. What are you doing? Why are you coming over hitting my hand? See, this is why the camera always moves. He does this while I'm trying to film. You're gonna be in big trouble. You're gonna be in big trouble, mister. I wish all this water would be heading straight to the pond. Fortunately, it heads down the driveway and it washes out little valleys and gutters in the driveway. I thought we had a slight chance of rain today. Crazy. Oh, did you hear that birdie? Did you hear that little birdie? He's like, hey, there's a bird around here, Dad. Hopefully he hears it. There was a little bird sitting right where he's at earlier. It's probably yapping at me. That's why he's over there squawking. When I came out, it took off. It was sitting right here. He's probably yelling, get out of here, dude, so I can come up here and get out of the rain. You're being an old crazy cat. You're being an old silly crazy cat. All right, let me get back inside. I was drinking my coffee. It's probably, I don't know, 7:30, 8 o'clock. Rolling out there, a little rainstorm in Texas. Little drizzle. Not really a downpour, but a little drizzle.